Today I show you how to add captions to your photos on your iPhone. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max with iOS 18.4.1, but this will work the same on most iPhones, especially the recent ones. And you have the Photos app. This is the most important thing. You might take a picture. I might take a picture of my recorder. Oh, that's a video. For example, I might take a photo of my recorder here. So that's one picture. I took the picture and I go into the Photos app, and in the Photos app you will see here is going to be the video and the picture. To add a caption to a video or a picture, this is a really short video and a live photo. So on the video you tap on this information icon and you can add here caption. That's the Sony PCM A10 recorder on the desk with the grimace egg in the background. I think that's pretty accurate. That's a caption, and I can add another caption for the live photo here. So those are the specifications of the camera, and you can add the caption. That's a photo of the Sony PCM A10 digital recorder. Letter A and the number 10. Okay. PCM A10. And press done. So now I have, this is one caption, that's another caption, and these are searchable. So I could search in the Gallery app, in the Photos app, I could actually search for this PCM. So I search for Sony PCM and it finds these two pictures, the video and the picture. I hope this helps you put captions on your pictures so you can easily find them. Many things are added automatically, like locations and the persons and description of the photo, like there is green grass. You will search for green or for grass, it will find it. But this way you can add custom captions to your photos where you can write something that is customized, something that is meaningful for you, like a memory. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you organize your photos on your iPhone, on the iPhone and in iCloud.